Truckers, if you have dirty hands after working on your truck, touching grease, or loading or unloading your step deck flatbed trailer, well, I got a solution for you. Gritt Hand Soap has sent me a special kind of bar soap that you can easily store in your truck and clean your hands and arms after you say been strapping or chaining down your load whole day or working on your truck all day, or if you're a mechanic working on trucks all day and engines all day, it will easily clean your hands. Gritt Hand Soap, which is insanely abrasive hand soap, removes grease, resin, ink, tar, soil, oils, adhesive, and paint. And today we're going to be testing all three bars out because all of them have different functions. This one is the heavy 80 grit one. The second bar that they sent me is the 120 grit medium. And last but not least, the last bar that they have sent me is the 220 grit light. So today we're doing real life world trucker product testing, something that I would recommend you. Even though Gritt Hand Soap has sponsored today's video, this is no lies, this is real product, real honest feedback. We're today starting with a 220 grit light, then we're moving on to the 120 medium, then we're moving on to the 80 grit heavy. We're going to test all three and I'm going to give my honest feedback and I'm going to make sure this works for you. For the 220 light, we are going to get my hands dirty in the soil to show you how it works. We're going to start small and then move our way up. For the 120 grit medium, we're going to get our hands dirty in this over here tar. We're going to get it really dirty because this specifically says it will remove tar from your hands. So we're going to try to remove tar from our skin with this Gritt Hand Soap. And lastly, we are going to touch real grease, fifth wheel grease, to test out the 80 grit heavy with bare hands to see if it actually works. Yes, that's right. I'm going to get down and dirty with my hands, bare hands on this fifth wheel grease, which is insanely hard to remove, and see if this Gritt soap will take it off. And we will only be using regular water from the sink. This is not lip blue. This is just empty water bottle that I got and poured a sink water into it. We're going to use regular sink water that you would normally use on an everyday basis, and we're going to see if it takes all that dirt off my skin. So by the way, it feels very grainy, smells really nice, just like the liquid kind you got. It feels like grainy, like sandpaper, so it's ready to do its job. So I'm not sure if you can see, but my hands are completely clean now. Like really clean, like they were before from just that. Check this out. Also different color, also smells nice, and also very grainy and ready to do its work. Time to do the forbidden thing. Grease. That's it, it's game over. It is grease, folks. It is grease. We are doing grease. And now, time to make my other hand dirty. This is really thick. This is grease and it smells and everything like that. So I have no choice but now to wash my hands with Gritt soap. So sorry about that. The battery on my GoPro died, so I did the best way I could to mount my phone for you to see how well it actually cleans. But this is my hands after the fact that I used the soap. I had to alternate between three soaps, but we got it done. I give this a plus because this is what we need on the road in order not to stay clean, to have our hands clean after we work. Not cancel. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 Jerry Light. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.